Right here I have this smart floor fan. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and show you all the pieces that it comes with, and then we're gonna try it out. All right, this is everything that came in the box. We have the base, we have the actual fan itself, we have the little wall plug-in right here, and we have the remote as well. And then we have all of the pieces that we're gonna need to screw this main fan piece into the base. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. It comes with a quick startup guide right here that has some pictures, so it's really easy to understand. I'm gonna go ahead and just follow these. So we're gonna start by placing this fan right into where it fits in the base. Now I'm going to just thread this screw through the flat washer here and insert it into the base here. Okay, I'm just gonna screw it in until it's nice and tight. And now I can adjust this little piece right here anywhere from 0 to 5.9 inches. All right, I'm just gonna tighten it into place. I'll keep it right about there. Now that I have this fan all ready to go, I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. So I just want to show you what the top of the fan looks like right up here. You can see at the top we have a power button, we have a plus and minus. It's going to help us scroll through the different speeds of the fan. We have the oscillating options right here. This one can rotate side to side, like right to left, and this one can rotate up and down. So you can select some of your different options here. So you're just going to push that power button to turn it on, and then you're going to use the plus or minus to scroll through the different speeds here. I do really like that it has the option of going both up and down and side to side. And then you can push this one right here. It's gonna go side to side. And you can actually choose between 60 degrees, 90 degrees, or 120 degrees, which is awesome. And you push it again to turn it off. And then you also have this remote here, which you can use in the same way. You're gonna use this power button to turn it on and off. And you can do all of the same selections on here as well as set the timer. And right down here, it's actually gonna show you how many hours you have the timer set for. So I'm just gonna push this button. I do want to talk about how this fan looks. I really like this kind of faux leather look on the side here. I feel like it looks really classy. Along with this, it's kind of like a sparkly gray color right around the outside of the fan. I just feel like this doesn't look like an eyesore. So this Dreo fan actually has WingBoost technology, which helps it to achieve the ultra long wind distance of 100 feet, which I think is really cool. That's really gonna help to just keep that indoor air circulated, which is really helpful, especially in the hot summer months. Also, this fan can actually be voice, app, panel controlled, or controlled by the remote, which I think is really useful just to have those different ways to be able to use this product. And lastly, this motor is ultra quiet. That way it won't bother you if you're using it while you're working or while you're just using it to stay cool while you're sleeping. Also, this is height adjustable. You're gonna be able to adjust the height from about 37.5 inches to 43.5 inches. So I just downloaded the app. It was really easy to connect it to this actual fan. You just hold down one of these buttons up here. It very clearly marks which one you hold down until it connects it to your phone. So that was an easy process, which is always nice. So this is what the app kind of looks like. It shows your device and then it shows what speed you have it on right now. I can turn it off using the app, which I do like just in case you aren't right next to the remote control or you're in a different part of the house. It shows what the current temperature is. And then if you turn this on from your app, you can see this automatically turned on to the last setting that I had it on. So if you push the button right underneath the picture of the fan, you can actually select a lot more options than you can on both the remote control and the actual fan itself. You can keep it on the normal wind speed, or you can actually select natural, which is going to variegate between a little bit higher wind and a little bit lower wind. So I do like that that is an option. There is also a sleep option and then a auto, which is just gonna allow you to be able to set a temperature, for example, and then be able to have it just like that. Right on the app here, you can also put the child lock on, which you can actually do on the device itself, but it's nice you can do that on the app as well. And you can turn off the panel sound, so if you have a baby sleeping or something like that, that is a nice option on here as well. Overall, I'm super impressed by how quiet this fan is. I like the way that it looks, and I love that it can actually rotate going up and down and side to side at the same time if that's what you choose. I also like how user-friendly the app is and how many different ways there are to actually control the fan.